What's going on? A T5 Becky the Trekkie here. We're going on Firefall Drop Tower at Silver Dollar City. We'll see you when we get on the tower. Point of view. I don't know, Becky.
Do I just wear it?
We're gonna have to go over here. Guess we're staring at the wall.
Wear this, right?
Yep. Okay. I don't think they're locked in yet. Maybe there's something else. There's a lap belt. There's a lap belt.
Can I get
yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Yeah, there's a lap belt. Boy, you're kind of loosey-goosey in this sucker.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we'll see how it goes. Firefall, huh? We're in it.
This is weird. You're like, you can't see anything.
Yeah, you're in the station, and then it shoots you up, so just kind of looking at the wall. It's like that all four ways around, though.
Yeah.
Except for the queue line section. But I think we're ready to go, Becky. Here we go.
All right, head back on time.
Up and away.
And you'll be launching sometime right about now.
Oh, wow.
Oh, Lord.
It's got some power.
Whoa!
Woo!
Harder.
Definitely fly out of the seat on that second shot. It's like the back scene of the park out here.
Oh my God, just look at my stomach.
See all the maintenance.
Welcome back, riders. You can go ahead and.
I thought it was fairly mild. I mean, it's brief, you know what I mean?
To my guests in line, you must be 48 inches or taller to ride this ride, and all the circles you have must go in the brown one. Heavies you see lying on the ground, and they're located underneath our seats, and we do have trailblazers.
There's definitely 2 seat belts and a pull down. You gotta
I did
wrestle.
not see the second seatbelt.
But that's all good. All right, just coming off of Firefall Drop Tower. What'd you think, Becky?
Yeah, it's a fun ride. Lots of airtime. Got the stomach going there.
It definitely rockets you right up out of the seat. That second jump, it really throws you. It's a short wait, so definitely go get on there. The theming's great. You can't really see a lot when the ride launches, but then once you get going, you can see for quite a ways. I'm going to say that one's probably about 100 foot or so. But always fun, those drop towers. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And we'll see you very soon on the next one. Bye, everybody.